Welcome to KidsArt channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello little friends. Let's draw and color this juicy watermelon. Make it ripe and ready to eat.
Whoa! Awesome! Awesome!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.